This apple tart looks like something from a bakery, but it's way easier than you think. Soft, buttery, packed with juicy apples, and it literally melts in your mouth. Let's make it. Start with the dough. In a bowl, combine flour and warm butter. Mix until it turns into soft crumbs. Add sugar and a pinch of salt. Then 1 egg and a little water. Mix until smooth and soft. No mixer, just your hands. Now your pan, lightly butter it. Then press the dough in. Spread it evenly across the bottom. It's very soft and easy to shape. Use a fork to poke small holes. Now the apples. Slice 6 to 7 medium apples. Start from the edges and move inward, laying them like flower petals. This is where it starts to look beautiful. Now the topping: milk, butter, sugar, and cinnamon. Bring it to a quick boil. Pour it over the apples. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. And look at this. Golden edges, soft center, juicy apples soaked in cinnamon. It smells unreal. If you like simple recipes that look this good, hit like and save this one.